course syllabus. This course provides the beginning programmer with a guide to develop structured program logic and assumes no computer programming language experience. Programming concepts together with definition, algorithm, debugging, and Python language will be introduced in this class. Minimum skill requirements. In this course, we assume that you have some basic computer skills before you take this class. So, means you should be able to use all required features of Falcon Online, such as the discussion board and the Dropbox. Use Dropbox to turn in the assignments. And you'll be able to send, receive attachments by email, know how to manage computer files, create, delete folders and files, upload, download files, open links, zip, unzip files and folders, move files, folders to different storage devices, download, install, uninstall softwares. These are the basic skills that you need to learn before you take this class. We will not spend any time to teach you how to do this. Learning outcome. When you finish the course, you will be able to understand the basic computer programming concepts, identify and explain the syntax of basic computer programming elements using Python, debug code. And in this course, I will say the most difficult part is the code error. So number 3 outcome is the most difficult part. That means we always type code wrong. You always type wrong. And when you type it wrong, your program doesn't give a correct result. That means your code is nothing. Doesn't have any value. You have to fix it. In order to fix the code error, you have to know where it is, what's caused the problem. And maybe it's very, very difficult to find out that maybe we just missed one semicolon, missed one parenthesis, or type something wrong, one letter wrong, caused the whole file not working, no result. It could be very difficult to find it out. You must be very, very patient. It takes time. And if that happens, you sit down, be quiet, sit down, check everything that you typed to see where you missed. Maybe it's just a comma or parentheses or one letter or one space. And maybe you typed one letter wrong. And anywhere could cause the problem, and you have to fix it. If you don't fix it, you never get a result. And that means you don't have done anything valuable. So you got to fix the error. That's called code debugging. It takes time. It's the most difficult part in this course. And sometimes you spend hours just find out one error wrong, one type O. You probably couldn't find it after you spend hours. So what happened? Because you typed wrong and you don't see it. Even it is there, you don't see it. If that happens, you start over. Redo everything. Forget about what you did. Start over. That's the only way to solve the problem, because you couldn't see where you typed wrong. Just start over. That's my solution. That's what I did. Whenever I type something wrong, I couldn't find out what's wrong. I retype everything. Yes, it takes time, but that's the only way I can solve the problem. That's the only way I can debug my code. So number 3 is the most difficult part. Number 4, learning outcome. Solve problems, design solutions, write and test code using Python programming language. So this is the learning outcome. And we have lectures, exams, assignments, projects. Here's the book we use. You can use any kind of computer like a PC or a Mac with any system, Linux, Windows, Mac. We download Python software from this website, python.org. It's free, so you go to this website, download the software, and install Python on your computer. And we have due date for every assignment. You must turn in all the assignments before the deadline. Once you miss the deadline, the Dropbox will not be closed, will not be open. So you must make sure you turn in assignments before the deadline for each assignment folder. No late work is accepted. And no copy. And here's a grading policy. We have 6 assignments, 2 exams, 1 final exam. So you read the syllabus carefully, and if you have any questions, you can contact me. All right, that's pretty much about the syllabus.